Hello students, in this video I am going to explain you fourth program of computer programming lab, that is palindrome. Question goes like this: develop a program to find the reverse of a positive integer and check for palindrome or not. Display the appropriate messages. So before moving to the actual program, let us see what actually is a palindrome. Palindrome means the number that reads the same backwards as forwards. That is, if we read it from forward also or backward also, the number should remain same. For example, here it is 1 2 2 1. So if we read it in a forward direction, that is 1 2 2 1, and if we read it in the backward direction, 1 2 2 1. So if both the numbers forward read and backward read matches, then we call that number as a palindrome number. So here we can see the pictorial representation also. Palindrome numbers remain the same whether written forward or backward. So here you can see 11, 151, 752, 57, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. So all these numbers are called as palindrome numbers. And here also we can see one more picture in which 1, 5, 3, 4, 3, 5, 1. This is forward reading 1, 5, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3. So this is also a palindrome number because the forward reading and backward reading both are same. So next we can also apply this to the string, but here in our program we have to develop a program for positive integers only. They have already mentioned it as integers. If they have asked for strings, we could have we can also write it for the strings also. Example of a string, we can take it as Gadag. If it is read from forward direction also, it is Gadag. If we take it in the reverse direction also, it is a Gadag. So next we moving to the code, how we are going to write the code for this. Here we have hash include stdio.h, conio.h, void main, and here this is actual program. Int num, we have taken 4 variables here. So first variable is num, next one temp, temporary variable, reverse. Initially we are equating it to 0, then one more variable called as digit. CLR SCR is for the clear screen. First we have to enter a valid integer number, so for that we are using the printf statement, and scanf statement we are going to read the variable from the keyboard, so we are using the scanf statement here. Then we are going to store the number which we have read in num variable to temp. Now temp will be equals to the number which we have read and stored in num, so both will be equal now. While num not equals to 0, we have to check first. If it is not equals to 0, then we are entering into the while loop. If this condition is false, then this statements which are under this while loop will not be executed. So if we have to check first while the number is not equals to 0, then only we can go for finding the reverse of that number. Digit is equals to num mod 10. So first we are going to use the modulus operation, and we are going to store the result of mod operation in a variable called as digit. So mod operation, always its result is remainder, so that remainder will be stored in the digit. Then reverse will be equals to the old reverse value. Old reverse value for the first time it will be taken as 0 into 10 plus digit, whatever value we are getting from this operation, so that value will be added to the old reverse value into 10. Next again the first number will be checked like that. Then the second number, if we want to check for go for the second number, then we have to divide num equals to num divided by 10. Then we can go for the second number. So it continues until all the numbers will be checked and the reverse of the number will be stored in num. So next here we can see printf, the reversed number of %d is equals to %d temp comma reverse. In temp we are storing the initial value of num, and in reverse we are storing the actual reverse value which we have got after applying these operations. So once these operations are applied, then we are going to check if temp value will be equals to reverse value, then we are going to tell that the number is a palindrome, else printf the number is not a palindrome. So this is the code here. We have some sample output for this program. We'll see this. Enter a valid integer. So whatever we have given in the end printf statement, it will be printed, and we have to enter the number. Here we have given 1 2 3 4. The reversed number of 1, 2, 3, 4 is 4, 3, 2, 1. So we can see that it is not a palindrome. The number is not a palindrome. And one more output for a palindrome. Here we have enter a valid integer number 1221. The reverse of this number will be 1221 only. So it is a palindrome. Thank you.